Minimalist tips for any man looking to invest in self-care. Plus, a little shine on the outside treats the inside too. If you've been skipping out on skincare, it's time to talk. You don't need to do much to repair, protect, and even pamper your mug. We're recommending the most basic adjustments for long-lasting results. Come, learn how to combat breakouts, shaving, irritations, and those fine lines that'll creep out. Here's how to get started, or how to brush up your game, because there's always something new to help buff up your glow. A simple skincare regimen. Basic steps to better skin. 1. Soap at night, water in the morning. 2. Serum after shaving. 3. Moisturize with SPF. As with anything we do and expect results, skincare requires consistency. But developing a routine can seem daunting if you don't know what to do or use. That's why we asked Dr. William Kwan, a board-certified dermatologist in San Francisco, California, to streamline skincare. Here are some most important steps he highlights, ones that men usually skimp on. Important ingredients. On the most basic level, everything you do should cleanse your skin, moisturize it, and add a protective layer in case of injury or irritation. At a glance, there are a ton of products on the market, and figuring out which ones to try and which ones work can be overwhelming. But when you start boiling it down to these 3 goals, cleanse, moisturize, protect, finding the right ingredients can make this process easier. Here are some ingredients you should consider when looking for cleansers and moisturizers, and a few you should avoid. 1. Cleanse. One thing dudes have gotten right is not washing their face every single morning. This is because washing too much can ruin your skin's natural oils. But this only works if you wash every night. We start each day with a clean slate, so why not let your skin end on a fresh note too? Don't let dirt and pollution soak into your pores overnight. Kwan recommends using a mild foaming cleanser before you shave to help reduce surface oil. As long as you don't have sensitive skin, you can alternate between an exfoliating cleanser for an enhanced shaving experience and a mild wash. Pro tip: if you have oily skin, you can use a hot towel to clean your face in the morning. Splash with cold water for a refreshing boost. 2. Repair. Our skin takes a beating over time, thanks to free radicals causing oxidative stress. Without going into a chemistry lesson, oxidative stress relates to our body's negative reaction to bad things like air pollution, cigarette smoke, industrial chemicals, UV rays. An antioxidant serum, for example, like vitamin C, is helpful to reduce damage and should go on in the morning underneath moisturizer. Kwan says, apply after your shaving routine. Pro tip: before bedtime, a retinol cream for those in their 30s and up. Retinol helps smooth fine lines and wrinkles, he explains. 3. Moisturize and protect. In the AM, follow up your antioxidant serum with a moisturizer that has at least SPF 30. Sunscreen isn't just for the beach or outdoor sports. Incidental sun exposure, like the time you spend walking to the train or sipping a beer on the patio after work, adds up and causes skin damage. At night, opt for a lightweight moisturizer without sunscreen. Pro tip: you don't have to moisturize at night if your skin isn't dry. Moisturizing is a lot like drinking water. Do it when you need it. Salicylic acid and glycolic acid. These 2 ingredients are important for acne care. They both chemically exfoliate the top layer of your skin, but salicylic acid can actually penetrate deeper into oil glands. Avoid fragrances. Everything smells like something these days, but fragrances can be bothersome. They can cause contact allergies, which can result in red, itchy or scaly rashes on your face, head, and neck. And even if it's unscented, it's not entirely safe. You want to look for something that says it's fragrance-free. In something that's unscented, they can sometimes add a masking scent, so you don't smell anything, but there's actually a fragrance still in the product. If you experience a contact allergy from a fragrance, it's usually a delayed reaction that can happen days if not weeks after you start using the product. Avoid alcohol-based aftershaves. There's nothing quite like that burn right after a good shave, and while that might feel refreshing at first, it's actually hindering your ability to stay moisturized because it dries out your skin. Alcohol-based products are traditionally meant to act as an antiseptic and help prevent infection, but it can be very irritating to the skin. Using a moisturizer is more helpful than an alcohol-based aftershave for most people. How to pick products: choosing the right skincare products. Key rules to buying products. 1. Know your skin type. 2. Ignore packaging. 3. Consider your ethnicity. From luxury beard oils to tasty, pocket-friendly lip balms, more products have hit shelves with men in mind. Now, the dude-specific skincare industry has been more on point than ever, which is great, but the influx might also leave you feeling at a loss for what to buy. First, it's important that everyone, including men, identify and understand their skin type. There are roughly 4 skincare types. Normal skin can tolerate a variety of different skincare products without any harsh results. Dry skin can be red and flaky in areas, especially when exposed to cold, winter elements. You may also have this type if you remove the natural oils from your skin by washing or scrubbing your body excessively. If you have this skin type, you're more prone to getting eczema. Sensitive skin reacts to different products in a variety of ways. If you break out in a rash or experience itchiness, redness, or burning when trying new skincare products, you might have this skin type. Oily skin causes your face to appear shiny or bright. You tend to break out or have issues with acne more easily if you have this skin type. You can also have a combination skin type, in which the center of your face may be oily, but other parts of your face, like your cheeks, can be dry. Understanding your skin type will help you learn how to take care of your skin and select skincare products that are right for you. To help men develop healthy skincare routines, dermatologists recommend the following tips. Simple skincare routine for men. For the simplest routine, you want to stick to the basics. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect. Step 1. Cleanse 2 times a day. You'll want to clean your skin twice a day, usually first thing in the morning and right before bed. If you tend to exercise in the morning or in the middle of the day, you should cleanse right after your workout. Hot water can strip the oils from your skin, so use warm water with your cleanser, even if you do this step in the shower. Use your fingertips to massage the cleanser into your skin, then rinse off completely. When drying, don't rub all the moisture off. You'll want to pat dry instead. Step 2. Moisturize twice a day. While your skin is still a little damp after cleansing, you lock that water in with a moisturizer. The idea here is to replenish that lipid barrier your skin has by maintaining its moisture. By restoring your skin barrier, you help defend yourself against chemicals and irritants in the environment. Step 3. Apply sunscreen once in the morning. It's important to wear sunscreen every day, because UV rays, even on cloudy days, have the ability to accelerate aging, pigmentation, fine lines, and wrinkles. Sunscreen also helps prevent skin cancer. If you shave, there are some additional tricks. Shaving is one of the most common concerns for men. While you should avoid alcohol-based aftershaves, there are other things to consider too. Your facial hair will be softer after a warm or hot shower, so cleanse first. Use a gentle, bland shaving cream or oil to prevent rashes or ingrown hairs. Shave in the direction of your hair growth to reduce irritation. If your skin is irritated or dry, using an electrical razor with safeguards can help. When you're done shaving, apply a gentle moisturizer to your skin. If you have dry skin, an oil-based product can be used as well. If you typically get ingrown hairs, use an exfoliant like a gentle face scrub on your skin a couple times a week to remove dead skin cells.